I am Shweta from Texas Review, the one-stop solution for all your abroad needs. Today I'm here to discuss about the most humongous and comprehensive English test in the world. You would have guessed it by now. Yes, we will talk about IELTS in this video. Let's take a look at two common questions which we often hear from every student who comes to us. What is IELTS and what is it all about? Why should I appear in this test and how we will help them to get the best score? Let me answer all your questions one by one. IELTS is the International English Language Testing System. Clearing IELTS is a sure thing for people who are planning to go abroad for higher studies or to work or to settle down permanently. The IELTS test is intended to check whether you will be able to manage English in countries where English is the official language. Thus, the IELTS scorecard will represent your English proficiency to the immigration authorities and universities of the English-speaking countries. IELTS test is conducted round the year in various countries across the world. IELTS is sorted into two categories: IELTS academic test. This test is taken by applicants who need a study visa. IELTS general test. This is taken by applicants who need a work or immigration visa. To succeed in IELTS, the test takers have to prove themselves in 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. The test claimants will be awarded scores on a band scale of 0 to 9, where 9 is given to someone who is really adept in English. Well, clearing IELTS is not everyone's cup of tea. It demands a lot of practice and dedication. You must be thinking how Texas Review can help you with IELTS test preparation. We have witnessed many aspirants who have achieved their abroad dreams successfully in the last 10 years. Many of our students have scored 8.5 and above in IELTS through our comprehensive and high-quality training. These impeccable band scores will represent our trainers' skills and their dedicated training standards. We provide the most comprehensive study material for IELTS, which is inclusive of many full-length tests and practice tests. This may surprise you, I guess. We provide the most malleable study plans, which will make the IELTS training much easier. Not just that, we also provide services like admission, immigration, visa processing, scholarship to make your abroad journey much more convenient. Let's look at the unmatched scores of some of our students who have taken the test recently. So, what are you waiting for? Visit your nearest Texas Review branch and enroll yourself. For latest videos and more updates, subscribe to our channel. That's all from me. Thank you.